Okay, this is Aris. I'm Diana, and we are at home making Chewy cereal cookies. And Aris is super excited because his favorite cereal is going in these cookies. So these cookies call for usually cornflakes, or this particular recipe calls for Special K, but we're just using Cheerios today. So you can see here, all our ingredients are laid out. We're just missing vanilla extract. That's the only thing I don't have, actually.
We need vanilla.
Yeah, the recipe does call for vanilla, but we're out. So we're just gonna make these cookies without vanilla, but if you have vanilla at home, definitely add it. Okay, so the first thing that we have to do is beat the egg white. So I should mention that we are actually making half of the recipe today. The yield for this recipe is 48 cookies. We'll see how that actually goes, but it was really easy to just cut the recipe in half, so that's what we're doing. So we have to beat the egg whites to soft peaks. We have to gradually add the sugar while continuing beating. Okay, so you want to add the sugar, Aris?
Mm-hmm.
Now it says to add the coconut and the cereal. We have to fold it in. So we're gonna get that mixture all incorporated, well blended. Our cookie dough, it's actually kind of weird to call this dough. So it's all incorporated. So now we just have to place spoonfuls of the mixture onto your cookie sheet. Here you have it. We made half of the recipe and we have 20 cookies ready to go in the oven. You have to bake these cookies for 15 to 20 minutes in a preheated 350-degree oven. So we're letting these cool completely on the cookie sheet before removing them. Aris is trying to speed things up.
Yummy.
You like it? What does it taste like?
Candy.
It tastes like candy. It's kind of nice and crunchy. I like the coconut. Would you make these again?
Every day.
Every day. I don't know about that. Well, thank you for joining us. These are really, really good cookies. And 4 ingredients, right? Egg white, sugar, cereal, and coconut. And vanilla if you have it, but to be honest, we didn't add any vanilla and they're still really delicious. So leave a review, take a photo, let us know what you did to make these your own. Let us know what kind of cereal you tried. And thanks for joining us.